people like me, it is more difficult to find a job, in a normal place. So that's why we would like to think about small business.
Yo,
What's up? All right, so
It's so hot actually.
We just
Nobody
arrived.
around.
yeah, so we just arrived in Ubud. We are in a house of one Balinese guy. He is a painter actually,
Yes.
and then
And actually, this is three brothers. They call us three brothers.
yeah, there are three brothers, and then one family. They said like that, and then we will see that who he is, who they are, who he is, something like that, and how their life and how their profile, because I know him from one Instagram, and then he just advertised his business in Instagram. So let's see who they are.
Let's check
Come on,
this
follow
out.
me.
They are very special. Special vlog today. I hope so. You will enjoy it.
All right, so this is the house. Let's see and greet them. Swastiastu, Bapak. Oh, look at them.
Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, so we just arrived in the house. So there are three brothers.
plus one family.
Oh, wow! So happy that I finally arrived here, and let's see. Maybe we will ask some question who they are. All right, so now we are here. We will talk a little bit about who they are and what they are doing, and then let's see. So, what's your name, Bapak? Can you introduce who you are in front of our viewers?
Okay. Thank you, Ibu Kade.
Okay.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ketut Budi Arsa. Yeah, I'm 38 years old. Yeah. So he's my brother, Wayan. Yeah, maybe you can introduce yourself as well.
Hello, my name is Wayan Piatnya.
Yeah, my younger brother.
Hello, my name is JP.
My elder brother.
Cool name. And then,
Belakang.
hello, my name is Kadek Sari.
Yeah, my sister-in-law and
Ah,
my nephew.
yeah. Bayu.
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 Okay, now.
This one.
Yeah.
My name beautiful lady. Dayu.
Yeah, she is my wife and he's my son.
Oh, he has
Putu.
a beautiful son.
Putu. Yeah, Putu. How are you?
Okay, Pak Ketut, can you tell us who you are? I mean, like what happened actually to you, and then maybe if you are shy speaking, he's a good, he's
Little
speaking
bit
very good
English.
I believe your English is very good.
If you confused to say in English, you
Yeah.
can say bahasa ya.
Okay, yeah.
Ya, Bapak bisa ceritain bagaimana, siapa Bapak? Ya.
Okay, yeah. We are three brothers plus one family. Why we called our name three brothers plus one? Because we are the same condition, three of us, same condition, or we can call osteogenesis imperfecta. It is not common disease. It is one of rare disease in the world. Yeah, the bone is fragile and very easy to broken. So many times my bone is broken, so it is like this.
Oh my God.
And also my brother, the same. Look.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's just like the bone can move like this,
Yeah.
like this.
Because many times broken bone in one part, so the bone is gone. Maybe the blood bring out. We don't know where. Like a miracle, yeah. Like ice, yeah. Like ice. Yeah.
Okay, so that's because of the disease,
Yeah.
like the bone easily, like broke up,
Yeah.
something like this. Yeah, so they are not dwarfs actually, but something happened to them.
So many times we are got broken bone, and every time we broken bone, it is need around 3 or 4 months to recovery, like a normal people. Yeah.
3 or 4 months.
Yeah,
So
we lying on the bed every day and crying. So that's why our parents sometimes very stressed to see three of us always suffering. Yeah, so every day one of us in problem. Yeah, so after 20 years old, because we already knows our body, so we not so active like a kid. So the broken bone is more or less than before.
I see.
Yeah. So we must people with osteogenesis must not do activity like other kids because it is too fragile, and if you move in wrong position, the bone will broken. Not only one part but many parts in the body.
Oh, I see. So do you go to the hospital or something?
No.
Because
Because also the doctor doesn't know about our bone, because when we are broken bone and when they are bandaged our bone, it is make other bone will broken again.
And also,
Yeah, so
we cannot move.
so this is we have one time experience like that.
Oh.
And also in 1999, I got first surgery of my leg to make my leg look straight. But after a year, the bone is back again like before, because the throat is not like now. The throat will click with the bone, but before they just put like this. And then when the bone back again like before, so the throat out from my skin.
Oh dear.
So and then we did second surgery in 1992. 1919. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So it is a lot of experience we have, in our life, but we still positive and we never feel give up. Just happy, even though many times we got suffering, it is normal because God maybe just tell us to do coloring the world. Everything will happen in the world, and we just need our strong mind and strong spirit to handle our problem.
Yeah. So I see that you have a normal kid, yeah?
Yes.
So it means like
This is also one of
it's miracle,
yeah.
right?
Many people with osteogenesis very feel afraid to have a baby because osteogenesis imperfecta they call the disease from genetic, they say. So it is, they say, they feel, maybe they think about our kids will affected. But yeah, we are lucky. He's very strong boy, and
Look at
him.
you.
Yeah. So we can break
Yeah.
the paradigm about osteogenesis imperfecta.
Oh, very nice. Okay, great. All right. Okay, Pak Ketut, can you tell us what are you doing for survive?
Yeah.
I mean, like before the pandemic, what are you doing actually to
Okay.
support your family?
Yeah.
You know.
So 4 of us, or 3 brothers plus 1, is a painter.
Oh, you guys are painters. They are painters.
Painters.
Actually, they are artists. Yeah.
So in 2004, we start to drawing and make a paintings and did so many exhibition in many galleries. For example, in Four Seasons Resort in Jimbaran and other place in Bali. And some of our painting we sent to Jakarta to join the exhibition before.
Very nice.
And also me with my brother also have a skill to making accessories like bracelet, earrings and necklace. Yeah, maybe later we can show you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
We will see the art gallery.
Maybe if you like, you can buy our accessories. Yeah.
I would like to buy one actually.
Okay.
All right.
So because of this
This
situation, I don't want to say something about pandemic, because my mind, I don't want to put something about this situation. But this business we create because I must stay home with my kids, and I thinking about what we must to do to survive for my family, because people like me, it is more difficult to find a job in a normal place. So that's why we would like to think about small business for our small income for our family. So around maybe 8 months ago, I talked with my wife, because now we have a big responsibility of our kids.
We have a beautiful son. Yeah.
And then what we must to do to survive, and how about if we making chips, and then we can try. And then I talk with meeting with all my family, brother and sister-in-law, and all of us agree about this small business. And we as a Balinese people, we must look our calendar. Good day for starting a small business or business. And we found a good day, and then we start bought some cassava, and then we try to make some chips, and I try to promote in Facebook community.
Facebook and other social media, Facebook and Instagram.
When we upload when we post our activity, many people respond our activity and order some our chips, and we delivery to them. We say to them minimum order is 5 packs and free delivery, and then they say, "Oh, Pak Ketut, I would like to order some."
Nice.
And some people also from many country, because they have friends. They order chips, and then they tell me to delivery to his friend around Bali. This is something miracle for me. Because not on our market is not only around our area, Ubud. No, we want to spread our market more wide. Maybe if we can, we have a big dream to make a big market all around the world. This is our big dream. So we want to show people, all people, even though they have lack of ability, but if they have strong dream, God will send us a way to how we can reach our dream.
Alright. I do agree that everything start with a dream, and then just believe it and make it happen. Alright, Pak Ketut, now we would like to see that how actually you produce your chips, and later on we will see that how it is the galleries, right? Okay, now let's see how you make the chips. Thank you.
So this is the house where the three brothers living, and they have nice birds. My brother Marcin probably will be very happy, right? They are living over here. The main job, what they do is making the cassava chips and painting time to time. As you can see, that's how it looks. Hello. This is the kitchen. This is the frying place.
Oh, be careful, Pak Tut.
Yeah. It is my
Maybe.
daily life, so it is very excited for me.
So this is Pak Tut daily life.
Yeah.
So maybe I see like, oh, be
Yeah.
careful.
Yeah. Be careful.
You know, because with the hot oil.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. And then his brother also helping. Yeah. So how long you will fry it, Pak Tut?
Around 15 minutes
15
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah.
until we know the chips is ready.
Mhm,
Yeah.
mhm.
Because different cassava, different time.
All right. So where did you get the cassava from? I mean, do you
From
have
farmer.
someone?
Yeah. From sometime from our neighbor.
Mhm.
So sometime we order from market. Traditional market. Yeah.
Okay. So while waiting for the cassava cook, and then the other family is making the package. Yeah. So this is how they packaging their product. Very nice. Wow. Pak Ketut, Pak Komang.
Oh, siya Pak Wayan.
Pak Wayan. I forgot your name. Is it hard for you to make it like this or
Not so hard. Yeah, easy.
easy? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Great. Now we will go to the gallery. Is it far your gallery, Pak?
Yes.
Around 20 meters.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's why disabled people need access. Yeah.
Yeah, true. Wow. Very nice. Let's follow them. Alright, so we follow them to the galleries. Let's see. Alright.
Yeah.
Wow, so
Welcome to our gallery.
this is their gallery. Nice.
So this is our product and also our painting accessories. You can see.
Oh, nice. Wow, this is their painting.
Yeah.
Look, the names Pak Ketut Budiarsa.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the paintings.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So you paint all, yeah?
Yeah.
How long you take for one painting?
Depend on the size. Yeah.
Depending on the
Yeah.
size.
If the big size like that, maybe around 2 weeks.
Mhm.
Because we use Balinese technique. Yeah.
Mhm. Nice. So you also make a bracelet, right?
This is our accessories.
Accessories.
Yeah.
I wanna ask you. So this is your product, right?
Yeah, this is we making parcel sometimes special for special day. For example, like last month Christmas, so we sell parcel.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful.
And this month is Valentine Day,
Yeah.
so we also think about parcel
Awesome.
for someone who they love.
All right. Actually, our viewers are, mostly from, Australia, Europe, or other countries, and also Indonesia. So you see that behind also the painting. So my question is that if, like overseas people, like coming from other countries, want to buy your painting, what should they do? Can you send it, ship it, or something like that?
So it is possible for us to save it. Yeah.
The paintings?
Yeah, the paintings. Only our chips we cannot ship it because we don't register yet for our cassava. But for painting and accessories, it is possible to ship it.
Okay. So how do they contact you?
So they can call me by my Facebook Ketut Budiarsa or Instagram also Ketut Budiarsa and my phone number.
Yeah.
Maybe
We can put it here later on in our
Yeah.
YouTube. Yeah.
Because I confused to say number in English. Sorry.
Alright, so later on in our video we will put, you know, lots of information about him, how to reach him. I'm so lucky that I met their mother, so she is her mother. What's your name, Mama? Siapa namanya? Bu Made. So that's her mother. Alright, so there are 3 brothers and 1 family. Actually, I'm so happy that finally I can meet them here because before I just met in Instagram. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. I would like to say thank you for watching. If you want to support them, you can buy their products, and then for the explanation where is the product, you can reach later on in our YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Alright, that was all the time to just the cameraman. So I was here actually. Alright, see you tomorrow. See you. Take care, guys.